Okay, so I wanted to do a quick update video today on the carrots that I had planted in a previous video. So that's what this has turned into. Now, I did not come back and thin any of this out. I decided, you know what, let's just do an experiment. We'll leave it in the ground without thinning and see what happens. And I'm sure that we're gonna have some stunted growth, some really short ones, maybe some that are all crooked. And but what I really was hoping for is that the carrots would actually really just kind of go in there and transform the soil. And so we'll see if that actually occurred, because when I put this stuff down, this was not the greatest soil to begin with. And so hopefully the carrots will have done a good job of transforming that. And I'm not going to pull them all now. I'm actually going to leave a good portion of them in to go to seed, so I can collect the seeds from them to regrow next year. I've never let carrots go to seed, and I want to experiment with that. And I think it occurs in the second year. So we'll see. But so let's go ahead and pull a couple of these up and see what we got. Okay, so again, I didn't thin these out at all. And well, there's one sticking up right there. And you can see right here how there's this many of them right close next to each other. And that's because I didn't thin any of them. And these are the kaleidoscope ones, so they're going to be all different colors. But let's go ahead and pull this guy. Whew. Interesting. Wow. All right, let's try pulling another one here. There's another one. That's not a bad carrot. All right. Yeah. Hey. What? Where you got somebody who wants to play? Anyways, okay, well, so she's going to get in here and squish everything down. You want to say hi? Hi. Okay, so pull one more out here from the center. Okay, so kind of what I expected, that some of these are going to have done pretty well, some of them are going to not have done so well at all. Like that little guy right there didn't do so well at all. But let's see what we think it's doing to the soil. See, this soil now is in much better shape than when I first put this down. So it's doing exactly what I had hoped it would do there in that sense. And the rest of these, not the rest of them, I'll pull a few more of them, but we're gonna let most of this go to seed. Now, I didn't do anything to these throughout the growing season. In the first video, I showed you how I put the seeds down and how I covered them with some 2x4s to keep them moist until they sprouted. Then I pulled those 2x4s off. From there, I didn't water these, I didn't feed them, I didn't do anything. Didn't come back and thin them, nothing. Just let them sit. And we've gotten some, I would say, results that I'm satisfied with. I mean, that's a pretty good carrot right there. So, yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with, for as little work as I had to put in, I can live with this. If I continue to pull these all up, we'd have a pretty good harvest of carrots for very little work whatsoever. I mean, look at the size of that guy. That's just a big carrot. Okay, that's it. So, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.